What's up guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Claudia. For those who are new here, for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support this beautiful girl. And if you are watching for the first time and you have not subscribed to Claudia Works, I don't know what you are waiting for. Can subscribe to this beautiful girl, road to 5,000 subscribers guys. And today I'm going to do this thing today. Anyway, subscribe.
Hapo sawa. What inspired you to put this in the wall?
No, the person it was drunk. That's why he was smoking that day, so he just tried something like Bob Marley.
Oh.
You see, that's why be careful of weed, you know.
You are Jamaican?
No, I'm not Jamaican.
Oh, guys.
Not yet Jamaican.
I love Trinidad and Tobago. Yeah, they love me as well.
And they love you?
Yeah, they love me as
He
well.
wants to go see the carnival and the girls.
So guys, as I introduce myself as Claudia Walk, and I'm coming live from this beautiful hotel here. It's a Jamaican restaurant. I'm loving everything about this place. Their food is on top, guys. They are so welcoming, they are so loving, and guys, I enjoy everything. And one thing I love about this place is about their paint. You can see we have money here. We have this Jamaican flag here. We have Usain Bolt over there. And we have who is this? What's this? Bob Marley.
My culture?
Yeah.
Which Bob Marley still?
Bob Marley still?
That's Bob Marley cousin.
Oh! This is Bob Marley too,
That's Bob Marley
guys.
cousin. This is the chef uncle.
Oh!
Chef Lillian uncle. Lillian.
What inspired you to put this in the wall?
No, the person it was drunk. That's why he was smoking that day, so he just tried something like Bob Marley.
Oh.
You see, that's why be careful of weed, you know. And this is Usain Bolt nephew.
Oh yeah,
Not
it's
Usain
still
Bolt,
there.
Usain Bolt nephew.
Everybody loves Usain Bolt. Why do you love Usain Bolt, guys? You know what he did? You know what he did? Just comment on it below.
If you know Usain Bolt, just comment.
Yeah.
Yeah, one. So
So
let's
guys,
go inside.
let me take you around this place.
You going to hold it?
Yeah. You can see people are chilling around
see the
here.
people actually.
Yes, they are taking care. Yes, how are you, madam? How are you? You are Jamaican?
No, I'm not Jamaican.
Oh, guys.
Not yet Jamaican.
She's on the verge.
Honorary Jamaican.
Yeah?
Honorary Jamaican.
Oh,
Yeah.
so
What is that?
it's okay. So I just want to, since you are not a Jamaican, how do you feel being here? How do you find it?
I enjoy the food.
You enjoy the
It's really
food?
good, yeah, and the music.
And the
reggae in
music.
the background.
So you come here frequently?
My second time here.
Your second time?
On a Sunday.
On a Sunday, every Sunday, guys. So guys, I'm chilling here with this beautiful lady here. she's so lovely, guys, and it's my first time being here.
Oh, nice.
It's so good, so good. Yeah, their food is on top, man. So if you're in Jamaican watching this video, make sure you visit this place.
Not Jamaican.
Okay, like I'm not a Jamaican, but I love Jamaica. So how can you tell someone who wants to visit this place?
No, they need to come and try the food. Try the buffet on Sunday, especially. Yeah, that's the best.
And it's affordable. It's affordable for sure.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for your time. Oh, let's get here. Hello, bro. How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good. How do you find this place?
It's my first time home.
It's so guys, it's his first time coming here. It's my first time, and we are enjoying the vibe here. You can hear the music. Yeah, it's playing over there. Yes. What can you tell someone who wants to visit this place?
If you want to find out what real Jamaica is, from the culture and the vibes and the food, Jamrock is the place.
Are you a Jamaican?
100%. Born and bred at yard.
Which part of Jamaica do you come from?
I was born in Portland, live in Ocho Rios, but Kenya is my new home now.
Kenya is your new home. Hey, you guys, if you are watching from Caribbean Highlands, make sure you visit this place. And guys, I think in the next video I will I just want to know why people are relocating from Caribbean Highland to Kenya,
To Africa.
to Africa.
I think everybody's coming back to Africa. Africa is a motherland.
It's our motherland.
So for Jamaicans, the Caribbean, especially the Jamaicans,
How do you find Africa?
that's what I'm saying. For Caribbeans, especially Jamaicans, we've always considered Africa the motherland.
Yeah.
So in order to get in touch with your ancestry,
Yeah.
where you come from, yeah, as Bob Marley said, you don't know where you're going unless you know where you're coming from.
Yeah, true.
So I think that is part of it. On top of how the world is running right now, you'll find a lot of people leaving the first world countries, coming back home.
Okay, what can you tell someone who wants to visit Africa?
Come.
To come?
What are you gonna tell them?
But then, how's the reception here? How are Africans receiving you? Are they welcoming?
It is. I'm trying to find a big word to sound like I'm smart, but the welcome and the warmth, the people, and I'm specifically speaking about Kenyans. It's tremendous. It's absolutely
Nice
great.
one.
So I'm also the first time here, but I own the place. So
Nice one. Nice one. So,
welcome to Jamrock.
Oh, thank
oh,
you.
you invested in Absentia.
I've done a lot of investments in Kenya.
Oh, that's good. You can see how people are investing in this country, in Africa. So make sure you visit Africa.
You come here after when some of us wants to relocate to the Caribbean. I want to go to Trinidad and Tobago.
Trinidad.
This guy wants to.
I love Trinidad and Tobago. Yeah, they love me as well.
And I love you.
Yeah, they love me as
He
well.
wants to go see the carnival and the girls.
Yeah.
But
They are so sexy.
I think all women are sexy.
yeah, everyone.
Yeah, all women are sexy.
Okay, thank you so much.
Alright, have a good one, guys.
Yeah, thank you.
Visit Jamrock.
Yeah,
Oh, for sure. This is the
They will
Jamrock.
enjoy everything about Jamrock.
Yes, this is the Jamrock Jamaican restaurant. So we have a beautiful, beautiful lady over here. So guys, this lady is so beautiful, and I have to take a picture with her.
She's a Jamaican as well?
No.
Oh, you're okay.
You're full Kenyan.
Yeah.
But you love Jamaica, that's why.
She's
you're here.
dreadlock. She's Rasta.
I'm loving these guys. I'm loving these Jamaican ladies, but
Kenyan ladies.
By blood, we are Jamaican.
yes, my blood. So guys, how do you find this place?
Awesome. This is my second time. I was here on Friday. And I'm back. And I'm back.
How do you find interaction with Jamaicans?
Brilliant. They're the easiest guys to talk to.
Sure.
I expected a bit of being pushed back, but no.
They are the
They're
best.
friendless people that you find.
Wow.
Even before I discovered they're Jamaican, and I was like, hold up, you guys cannot be from Jamaica.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh.
Kabisa.
Na tunawapenda sana. We love you guys.
What wetu means they are our people.
They are our people.
Our people, yeah.
You are brothers and sisters, men, and we love you all, men.
Yeah.
Can you tell someone who is watching
Entire
from
Caribbean.
Jamaica or Caribbean Highland something?
Listen, I don't want to be there right now, but maybe since I've met people who will drag me with them, I'm about to come, but visit Kenya.
Yeah.
You're coming like that.
I am coming like that. You guys saw me that.
I'm about to come.
I see what you did. Oh my god. So yeah.
That's what Jamaica do to you.
Sisters, welcome to Kenya. We love Jamaicans. I'm a naughty dread girl. So yeah, I feel at home. And it's created a home in my home. So I can imagine me being away from home when I will be.
Yeah.
Nairobi, Kenya.
Yes, welcome Nairobi, welcome Kenya. We love you guys. You are brothers and sisters, and we all love Jamaica. That's why we have this.
Dreadlock.
Yeah, thank you so much.
You're welcome. No worries, we'll follow you.
Yeah.
Pushing.
Yeah.
Claudia walks.
Claudia walks. Yeah, we go to my brother there. Yes. Oh, hi brother, how are you?
3 words.
3 words.
Sunsplash in June in Jamaica.
Oh yeah. Repeat again.
Pardon?
Sunsplash in June in all the more words. To count them. Sunsplash in June in Jamaica. 4 words. Done.
Oh!
What does it mean?
What does that mean?
No explanation? We will.
Google that.
We'll
So
Google.
guys, if you know that, just comment down
Google
below.
that.
Okay, what's
5 words.
You're done.
Wait, watch your masfalia dispensary. I've told you 5 words. Yeah.
It's okay, thank you so much for your
First
time.
flash in June
In Jamaica.
in
Jam.
Kingston.
Ah, man, I don't understand.
We're
that.
done.
We are
You
done.
go and Google. Go and Google.
You call us. Call us, we'll give the details. We're doing a trip to Jamaica in June. Jamaica, Santo Domingo in June. Yes.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for your time.
You're most welcome.
Okay, enjoy this place. It's a nice place. Eh?
You too.
Okay, thank you so much.
You have to share.
Claudia walks.
Oh, Claudia.
Claudia walks. Yes. Yes, on YouTube, Claudia walks. Instagram, Claudia walks. Facebook, Claudia walks. All social media platforms, Claudia walks. Yes, thank you so much, guys. So guys, this is how this beautiful place looks like. Yes, and I'm loving everything around this. Even if you have not, you haven't noticed, they have their Jamaican flag colors. They are there. We have other places, and people are still coming. Others are just relaxing over there. Others are still relaxing. Hi, madam. You want to say hi to my fans? Okay, you visited this place. How do you find it?
It's a perfect place to be. You can come here, have your drinks at Jamrock, and you can come here, have your sweet pan or samosa, faluda milkshake at Pan House. And then
Where is the pan house?
Pan House is
Oh, pan house is there. We have some cute deras.
Masai Market.
Masai Market, it's there, guys. If you want to shop like deras and then other thing related to Masai, you can get here at Jamrock. Actually, it's a beautiful place, man. What can you tell someone who wants to visit this place? Maybe he's coming from Jamaica, those Caribbean countries, Kenya, Africa.
okay, what I can say, you have just to come here, have your drinks. We have a supermarket, Chinese restaurant.
Oh, we have Chinese restaurant over here.
We also have grocery. But my most beautiful place is Jamrock. I love Jamrock.
Jamrock.
Though I'm not working there, but it's a
Good place. Yeah. You enjoy their food, everything.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you
I'm
so
Claudia Vox. Yeah, she's beautiful. That's why I've approached her.
Shout out to Ricardo, my
She's
best
Kenyan,
friend
right?
here.
Shout out to.
Ricardo.
Ricardo, oh yeah.
Chef at Jamrock.
Oh, that guy over there.
David the owner.
Oh, David the Honor. Yeah, thank you so much. And go see Africa. You are my security guy.
That's not a good one.
Anyway.
I accompanied Claudia
yeah.
today for food what? Yeah, we wanted to test
Jamaican
Jamaican food and it was good. We recommend.
Yeah.
Yeah, now it's time we leaving this place. The uptown side of Nairobi, Westlands.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to take a cab to the place we headed to CBD. So
Yeah.
from Nairobi CBD, Central Business District, Claudia will go away, I go my way.
Yeah, that is it
Yeah,
for you.
yeah, sure.
So guys, if you have enjoyed this video, can you give a like, make sure to subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. And guys, that is it for today. Make sure you visit this place. It's a nice place. See you in the next one. Bye bye.
Bye.